Welcome to the Ercolina Section Bender Programming Extended Tutorial. Today, we'll be bending mild steel to a 15-inch radius. Programming is managed from the control tower. The display features 3 columns representing the program number, total travel distance, and the current position of the top roll. These arrows indicate if the top roll is set to move up or down, while these show the left or right movement. The button panel consists of the Enter and Menu/Escape keys. You'll also find controls for center roll up and down, as well as the left and right directional rolling. Head to the control tower with your material supported by the center and bottom left rolls, as shown. We are now ready to begin our bending. Press the Menu button to move the cursor to the first column. Then use the down arrow to navigate to program R7. Once selected, press Enter. Next, press the Menu button twice to move the cursor over to the middle column. This section allows you to set the total travel distance for the center roll. To adjust the value, press the Roll Right hotkey, which will increase the distance in increments of 10. Press Enter. Now, press the Menu button 3 times to shift the cursor to the third column. This setting determines the travel distance for each individual pass. Continue by pressing the Down button until you reach the value of 5. Then press Enter. Now we'll set 0 to establish the top of work. Simultaneously, use the foot pedal and down button to lower the top roll until the material is level. Use caution here. Touch the material without driving into it. Then hold the down key and press Enter. Simultaneously, hold the up key and the foot pedal. This will move the roll into position so you can easily extract the material when the bend is finished. To store this value, hold the up key and press Enter. Your display will flash twice. Now that the up position and top of work are stored, press down. This tells the machine you're ready for the center roll to descend. Now, press the foot pedal. The center roll will descend and automatically stop once it reaches your stored top of work position. Let's adjust the material to ensure we're utilizing the entire piece. Hold the Roll Left button and depress the foot pedal until the material is in the proper starting position. Prepare for the first pass by pressing the Down button, followed by Enter. Next, set the rotation direction by pressing the Roll Right button. Press the foot pedal to begin the first pass. As the material moves, keep a close eye on your ends. Ensure the material never crosses over the center line of either bottom roll shaft. Once the pass is complete, press Enter, and then select Roll Left. When you depress the foot pedal, the top roll shaft will automatically descend another 5 mm for the next pass. With the material rolling to the left, lift off the foot pedal just before the end of the piece reaches the bottom shaft center line. Repeat the sequence by pressing Enter, then Roll Right. When you hit the pedal, the machine will descend another 5 mm, keeping your workflow consistent and precise. Keep your foot on the pedal until the piece reaches the end of the pass. Repeat these steps for the remaining passes until you reach the total travel of 25 millimeters. To get here, we've completed 5 passes at 5 millimeters each. You might notice the current roll position on the display is a fraction of a millimeter off. This is a normal result of the machine's high-resolution feedback system adjusting to material tension. Rest assured, this minor variance will not affect your finished radius. To extract the material, simply press the up key and depress the foot pedal. This returns the roll to your programmed clearance height for easy removal. And there you have it, a finished piece with a 15-inch radius. If you notice any spiraling, you can adjust the anti-twist bars to correct the pitch. Finding the right balance takes practice, so don't be discouraged if it takes a few tries to master the technique.
Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or need support, feel free to contact us. We're here to help you get the best results from your shop.